GM everyone, Colin over here getting ready for a quick price update on NFTs and cryptocurrencies. Before we jump into the NFT sides of things, we do need to look at the fungible tokens. This week, pretty much everything is down bad. We saw Gensler come out against pretty much every single top 10, top 20 cryptocurrency. He charged Coinbase and Binance with, multiple things. If you're at all in the space, you'll know what's going on. Bitcoin and Ethereum are holding up comparatively to some of these other altcoins quite well. Bitcoin down 5.3%, Ethereum down 8.2%. BNB obviously being Binance's kind of coin, down 23%. Also, Cardano is a coin I do want to mention at this point in time. They're also mentioned in the suit. Solana also was mentioned. All of them down above 20 to 30%. So yeah, that really does hurt. And I mean, the thing is that if people start feeling poor in the space, you know what they'll do? They won't be buying stuff they don't really need. And most of the NFTs in the market right now, at least, are things that people buy because, well, they kind of want to flaunt their wealth. And right now, I don't think that anyone is feeling that wealthy this week, at least. All right, with that out of the way, do have a couple NFTs at least that I do want to show you guys. We have CryptoPunk still holding up well above 50 ETH. Love to see it. Bored Apes still over 45 ETH. Also love to see it. Both of them down on the week. No big surprise on that end. Mutant Apes, down 6.3%, still above 9 ETH. Also kind of hurts. We'll get into both Mutant Apes and DGods in just a second. But across the board, I wouldn't say that it's been a very bullish week. And it's not really a time that, anyone is really looking into the NFT space right now and saying, yes, that's a market I want to get on top. Everything is priced in ETH, and that just adds another layer of complexity for normies or for people wanting to buy into the space. So let's head over to Mutant Apes and take a look at that chart. We're pretty much down to the bottom of the range, dating all the way back to, when was it, November 18th, 2022, 9 ETH back then. Yeah, it definitely hurts. If we switch over to US dollar prices, though, we kind of can see a bit better picture here. Honestly, we've been kind of trading this range all the way back since June 2022. So 18 to $23,000, and now all the way down to $17,000. That kind of range, been kind of range bound. So I guess that's not so surprising. Definitely want to see us hold strong above that 15K bottom. Simply, it's a Veblen good, right? So if it loses too much value, then these assets, their kind of perceived value also drops. So if the price drops too much, that won't be good for the general market space either. And I always like to say that a tide lifts all of our boats. So you do want to see these top 15 to 20 collections perform well and kind of the sentiment come back into the market to really rise all our boats again. DGods actually having quite a strong week this week in dollars and ETH terms. Obviously, they are just recently been bridged over to ETH, so the chart doesn't go all the way back that far, but back to April 2nd, 8.8 ETH. We're above that. Love to see it. Congratulations. But yeah, aside of the whole SEC debacle, there's been two things mainly on my timeline that I do think everyone should kind of hear about. The one thing is Louis Vuitton really getting into the NFT space. You probably saw the influencers and their tweets popping up left and right about, hey, I was invited out to their headquarters in the countryside. Cool to see them join. I mean, they are a big brand. They do have a lot of name recognition. I'm not that convinced yet on what they're actually bringing to the table in this case, but we will see how they handle it. Almost 40,000 euros that it will be costing to get into this. I would see it more as a discretionary spending and less as an investment. But if that's your cup of tea, then go ahead and enjoy. I'm sure that they will provide a lot of value to their collectors. And I mean, it's a special type of thing. It's a special type of brand. I don't think it's their very first digital collectible. They did have something just before that too. But I wish all the holders a lot of luck, and I hope you guys get what you expect from it. £34,000 is what it just said here. The other thing that's been popping up left and right on my feed at least was from the Gutter Cat Gang, their Gutter Mellow shoe. Looks kind of sick, and I definitely check it out if you own the NFTs. From the 13th to the 27th of June, there will be a pre-sale and allow list, and I think you can buy the NFT itself on the 29th. And I hope next week I have better news for you guys, at least regarding NFT price floors. That's going to be it for me this week. See ya and bye-bye.